This ad looks like a real person, but it's not. It's 100% AI, and it converts. UGC ads work, but getting real creators to nail your tone and meet deadlines, not always easy. So we started using AI to create UGC that feels authentic and delivers results. There are different ways to achieve consistent, scalable, high-performing UGC. In this case, we combine GPT, Arcads, Sora, Kling, and a few creative tricks. Here's how. How we make high-converting AI UGC ads step by step. First, we craft the script using ChatGPT. It's not just copy, it's structured to perform. We write with proven hooks, pain points, benefits, and soft CTAs built in. We'll tell you more in other videos. Next, we head to Arcads. We paste in our script, choose an AI actor, and generate a natural-sounding voice. Arcads handles voice and video in one click. Once we have the main clip, we pick out key moments to create expressions, smiles, reactions, gestures, and generate matching stills with Sora or Midjourney. This helps us create emotion-based story moments. We use the stills and turn them into videos using Kling, Freepik AI, and pull stock footage from Envato and free libraries. These reinforce the message visually. We combine everything into a cohesive ad with subtitles, callouts, timing tweaks, faster and effective as traditional UGC. This specific ad helped us cut CPA by 20% and boosted CTR by 2 times. And the client got it delivered in 48 hours without chasing influencers. We create these types of AI-powered ads for clients every week. If you want UGC that looks real, sells better, and never misses a deadline, reach out.